Bafethu, yabona umfundo Vilakazi just wants to express himself at Kaizer Chiefs Bafethu. The boy really has the hunger to play football. Into nje ayifunayo Bafethu i-game time. Yabona with this performance Bafethu, it really showed me ukuthi umfundo Vilakazi wants to play football. Right? At Kaizer Chiefs, he really wants to show the Amakhosi faithful ukuthi he's got something that other players in the squad don't have. Because Bafethu, that second half performance umfundo Vilakazi uyitshintshile le game le. The boy had the energy, he had the hunger, he always wanted to pass forward, he always wanted to create opportunities for Kaizer Chiefs. That's how Kaizer Chiefs won that game, Bafethu, against the Sekhukhune namhlanje. Mfundo Vilakazi, the impact of the boy. You get what I'm saying? The first half of it was flat. I was like, what is going on now? After having a solid performance against the Sundowns, namhlanje wehlisa kakhulu against the Sekhukhune, I thought the game was going for a draw. But Mfundo Vilakazi came on and the boy really showed ukuthi he just wants game time. Let the boy express himself, Bafethu. You get what I'm saying? Obviously, I think the coaches are also trying to protect him a little bit, but that second half, I think give the boy, man. Just give the boy some time to express himself. He really wants to play for Kaizer Chiefs. Salute, Bafethu.
Hey, yabona nje, football is something else. You see, what happened here is just poetic. Phela uMorris mina the last time ngimbona yabona nje yazi indaba kaMorris. The last time ngimbona uMorris kwakuyiKhali Knockout Cup. uMorris wasiphetula umoya kabi siKaizer Chiefs kabi by missing that penalty, costing us a place in the Knockout Cup competition. Mina ngangithi ibhola uliyekile uMorris. And now uMorris comes in against Sekhukhune and scores the goal that secures the spot for a CAF Confederations Cup for Kaizer Chiefs. Isn't that just poetic? Hayi Morris Bhuti siyabonga izono zakho zonke zalapha kwiKhali Knockout Cup seyithethelele baba. Ayikho into esingayenza. This was his first league game of the season. It's not easy to come back from being on the sidelines for such a very long time and having to come back and contribute when the team needs you. And he did that the best way he could, by scoring a goal, sending Kaizer Chiefs through to the CAF Confederations Cup. Yeah, he had to redeem himself, because I don't think even for him it would have been great in moment yakhe azokhunjulwa ngayo kwi-Chiefs kube leya yellow ye Khali Knockout Cup. But with this goal, he will always be known as the guy that took Kaizer Chiefs back to the CAF Confederations Cup. Salute to the brother.
What do we say about the co-coaches? Hey, what do we say about the co-coaches? CAF Confederations Cup football. Signed, sealed, delivered. We are back in continental football. From the co-coaches, I remember after Richards Bay, they must leave. I was like, whoa, don't let these co-coaches go. Let them finish the season. They will get us top 8. Top 3 will be shaky. Meanwhile, little did I know, top 3 was coming. These co-coaches today made subs, where I know some Kaizer Chiefs fans were booing. Why are you putting on this player? Why are you putting on this player? Do not put any of our players down, because as you can see, they delivered. The boys delivered. Tough game. Sekhukhune tactically disciplined in their structure. They're tactically disciplined. And they were playing for a draw, Sekhukhune. Sekhukhune went out there to win the game. They were playing for a draw. They just wanted a draw. Sekukhune's aim is just to stay in top 8. Survive Kaizer Chiefs. That was the game plan today. But individual brilliance won us the game. Lilepo, I'm so confused, my man. I don't know. You have like the game that you have, but then you go create an assist for our first goal to open the deadlock. I don't know how to. My brain, it's hurting. 51 points, one of our highest points tally from the past 4 seasons. These co-coaches are cooking. And I can finally say, I told you so. We made Sekhukhune twerk. Ask Kukune twerked.
You want to know uba ndifilisha njani njengoba iChiefs winile ibethi isikhukhune ngo 2-0. A very crucial win kubo eGaranda uba baya kwiCAF Confed bahamba neDurban City. You want to know uba ndifilisha njani? I have mixed feelings. Dine mixed veg feelings. You want yo divided kabini apha kum kwalapha kum. I-angle yami yokuqala yileka Tumelo Trom as a content creator and Orlando Pirates supporter. Kulena ipart I'm not happy because iChiefs ewinayo andiyifuni. iChiefs ewinayo indimoshela content. iChiefs ewinayo iChiefs ingase kum ihlala ibethwa kulona uTrom. Ingase ihlala ibethwa oko. Ndiyonwaba xa ihlala ibethwa kulona uTrom. But also as a South African football lover kulona uTrom wesibini ke ngoku akabonakali kakhulu ke lo social media abamaziyo lo ngabake badibane naye in person nabantu beChiefs nabantu bandoni. As this one I'm happy for Kaizer Chiefs. Ivukile ibhola okanye iyavuka ibhola yase South Africa ibuyile iKaizer Chiefs because iPSL ayonto ngaphandle kwePirates, Sundowns neKaizer Chiefs. So ukufa kweKaizer Chiefs kukufa kwebhola yase South Africa. Ngeke ndiyonwabele iChiefs ezoya kwirelegation kulona uTrom. Soze ndiyonwabele. So xa ivuka ithetha ukuthi icompetition kwiPSL ithetha uba kuzoba interesting more. Ithetha ukuthi isizini ezayo it's going to be more interesting. Yebo? Isizini elandelayo izoba mnandi kakhulu. Iphelile ezantsuku zoba sidominate yiSundowns ngoku. Kukhona iChiefs, kukhona iPirates, kukhona iSundowns. Kuzakwaziwana. Mayizi season ile ilandelayo izoqala ngo-M10-8 ithini kuzoba mnandi sifuna ibhola enjalo nothi iyabhora isizini evela uthi usayiqala uvela uyazi ba izowinwa iteam ethile ileague into ethile izawina no iyabhora sifuna into enje and ndithanda uba yenzeke iphoxe abantu abaninzi into iChiefs kulento ndingomnye wabantu baphoxekileyo nabanye babalandeli beChiefs baphoxekile because bebengaba approve ababaqeqeshi and yenzeke ngabo yonke lento. So sithi congratulations Kaizer Chiefs. Siyabulela manambani niye kwiCAF Confed but more eyona nto mna ndiyifuna kakhulu ndiyayibona le CAF Confed nanto ndinifuna kakhulu ba le form nikuyo nibuye nayo xa kuvulwa next season nibuye nayo if beniyifumene le form kusekwangoko ngeni kude kakhulu.
Amakhosi 2 isekhukhune nil sanibona. I hope niyaphila. Not a very entertaining first half, I'm not gonna lie, but okubalekile was to get lot 3 points low, which we saw from amagoli amabili, one from Umfundo Vilakazi and another one by Uteshrik Morris, securing the number 3 spot for Kaizer Chiefs and also qualifying them to CAF Confed. Yes, this is exactly what I wanted for Kaizer Chiefs. They participated in CAF Confed this season, and I wanted them to go and try it out again in the season to come. I am of the belief that the big 3 teams in South Africa should be participating in CAF football season after season. That is important for South African football and also for the national team. So this is good by Kaizer Chiefs. But I want to ask something. The current coaches were the ones who took Ilokuza, Kaizer Chiefs to Confed this season, right? And they made it all the way up to the last day of the group stages, which they didn't qualify for a round of 16. I want to ask a question. What happens from here? Kaizer Chiefs said namagame amancane ukuze ivali season, but I think they've secured point out 50, which is a huge improvement from how they did last season. And also they went from position number 9 to position number 3. So improvement lay looking from the season that they had last season, right? I want to ask a question. What happens from here? Does Kaizer Chiefs go on to CAF Confed with the current co-coaches Noma Bafuna or Coach Omush? Can these new co-coaches, can the current co-coaches be able to take them out of AMA group stages this time around, which they couldn't kule season? I know Guti, a lot of people have lamented a rebuild of the squad, I am of the idea too yokuthi iKaizer Chiefs iyayidinga i-rebuild. There are people that need to be let go and they need to make purchases abadlali, right? But that is not enough. What is the idea in terms of coach Omusha? Does iKaizer Chiefs needs a new coach to take them through to the next season and also to ICAF Confed? Norma or coach Abakona have done enough to prove themselves to they can do better in the season to come, both in the league and also in ICAF Confed. Let me know what you think.
Kosi, man, why you support Kaizer Chiefs? Why are you not a Kaizer Chiefs supporter? Are you full of happiness? Kaizer Chiefs, biggest club in Africa, biggest club. Bethi bazama angithina swafakile ama brand envelope asikhokhanga bethi bazama ukuzvi sakora ngishilo ngisho bengazivimba sokora ngenkani Khosi guys afethu kumnandi being a Kaizer Chiefs fan ngine flu kodwa still Khosi bafethu stand up, this is it cause why you support Kaizer Chiefs? Why are you not a Kaizer Chiefs supporter? Let's talk about that. Why?
Because I'm a Pirates supporter.
Kaizer Chiefs is going to CAF Confederations. Well done. Now you locked in. Now you had control of the game. The entirety of the game you guys had control. But the final third, you just weren't clinical enough. And that shot that Sereno missed, point blank. Thank God I'm not a Kaizer Chiefs supporter. But in any case, Vilakazi comes in, Sereno out, Intwana imnandi. Intwana blind, in tough on tough. That on the line into the box. Come on now. Then they push Lile for a penalty. And they finally showing all my flaws I on a little penalty because they said ref said no retake what's okay like no problem ref, and the keeper was like no, which side are you gonna go? Same direction. High blind Lentwan. I don't know, is he a super sub or should he be a person that Kaizer Chiefs actually starts? Is he coming back? Look, I'm not a Kaizer Chiefs supporter, my God. I don't know, is he coming back from injury? That's why he's playing for a short period of time. But he's growing within himself into one. Blind. Plus anyway, Kaizer Chiefs, you still have 3 more games to play. Wait, 3 more games? That's why I said, Amazulu, just forget about it. Amazulu must just forget. You guys have 2 games left. There's nothing you can do. Next season.
Games.
Well done to our neighbors. Beautiful game. I saw the motion. It's just the final third that was just not clinical and that's what a lot of us, whether Kaizer Chiefs fans or not, have been talking. Not clinical enough in the final third. But Vilakazi came in, you just softened everything.
Omo, it is official. Kaizer Chiefs are going to play CAF football. Come on! Did I just watch Kaizer Chiefs or did I just watch Arsenal? Did I just watch Brandon Peterson or did I just watch David Raya? Oh, did you not see that hand of God? Maurice Tashrik, guys, are you aware that he has just played 1 game this season and scored 1 for 1? And last season, he played 11 and scored 1. Oh, what happened to Kaizer Chiefs? My brothers, tell me, who is that juju man that did juju for Kaizer Chiefs this season? Last year, they qualified to the CAF football through Nedbank Cup. This season, clean like the whistle. If not for Orlando Pirates and Mamelodi Sundowns, Kaizer Chiefs could have carried the league. Oh. What a game, guys. Lilepo, my man. That is the aggressiveness we are talking about. See, this game, you would see from the beginning that, Kaizer Chiefs are on point. A game that there was no Maboe on Dilofu. But then, Nkombo. What an amazing football. Sekune, sorry you could not help it. Amazulu, take heart. Kaizer Chiefs is back and they are back for real. No joking, guys, cause guys, Omo, you could joke.
Besides you guys are xenophobic. Xenophobic kanjani mfethu when I enjoy content in Nigeria lelo mfethu. That's not important, but shout out to Mjib. I like the content yakhe, and there are a few other Nigerian content creators abenza content ne-PSL, and shout out to them mfethu for lento leyo. It shows ukuthi nje mfethu we are not xenophobic as South Africans. Angazi why ngikhuluma nge-xenophobia. I should be talking about it because I'm also happy ukuthi Chiefs iyaku-confed. If you like ngizwa ngikhuluma, I've always said ukuthi ngifuna i-Chiefs vele ye-confed. So next season sonke kumele sibe ne-schedule esibhizi. Angifuni kube khona i-team ehlalayo nala i-T1 ifocus ku-PSL. Because i-Chiefs nayibona manje ukuthi mfethu iyabuya, so ngifuna ukuthi nabo mfethu babe busy, babe up and down just so they can mhlambe drop points lapha nalapha mfethu yabo. Yeah. But other than that mfethu that's just a game, bruh. Yekhosi mfethu. First half, like, yeah, I was really boring. I won't lie. First half, I thought Iskukune will score first, but then Iskukune, striker sub was a defender. Iskukune striked. Game player elderly defender. So it was written in the stars with the Chiefs is a winner. And shout out to Mfuno Villarreal. We've been saying that Mfuno Villarreal deserves more game time. Mfuno Villarreal deserves more game time. Sometimes I want Mfuno no Villarreal. I don't understand why they get so little minutes with Chiefs Lapa, because those guys are so good. Villarreal, when it comes to pace, that guy is fast. I'd play Villarreal ahead of Umudimina anytime. I play Villarreal ahead of Fulile Potok anytime. But yeah, I am not the Chiefs coach. Yeah, but thank you for watching. Thank you for tuning in. Zombona. Kama vita zayo bafethu. I'm not sure ukuthi big game land like I'm check my fixtures. So yeah, yabo.